Hi, my name is Erin Hamilton and I'm the founder of the Mushroom Conservatory. I am absolutely delighted to announce that we will be back at MIgardener this fall for 2 days of mushroom growing workshops. The first one will be on September 21st, where we'll be doing an oyster mushroom growing workshop, followed by a wine cap growing workshop. And then we'll be back on November 2nd, where we'll kick the day off with a lion's mane mushroom growing workshop. And then we're going to do a functional mushroom tincture and extract growing workshop, where everyone's going to learn how to work with functional mushrooms and actually extract them to get the full benefits of those mushrooms. So we've had a lot of requests for the tincture workshop, and I'm really, really excited about it. Everyone that participates in that one will actually be able to take home their own bottle of mushroom tincture that they make that day. So it's going to be a fantastic experience, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you. Make sure to sign up and get on our email list too, so you get updates about future workshops, and I can't wait to see you all there.